Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mix. In this video, I will let you know how to create an HTML document. HTML document is used for web pages, and you can write HTML document in any text editor. Here you see I'm using Notepad, so you can use any text editor for creating HTML document. HTML document in fact use different tag names, and once you develop a complete document, you can reuse that document very easily by just changing the stuff within the different tags names. And you see here I have developed a simple HTML document. I will let you know what is how is this created and what is the purpose of different tags. So I first remove all these things and would guide you how to write the rest of the stuff in HTML document. I leave this one. This tag is in fact document type, and I'm using HTML as an extension. So this is necessary for specifying the document tabs. And for tag names, we use angle brackets, one at the beginning of the tag name and the other at the end of the tag name. And this whole thing is called a tag name. So for specifying the type of the document, you also additionally use this exclamation sign. Now I begin to create the HTML documents. For creating HTML documents, you just first put this tag name, HTML, and then you put another by putting angle bracket, then slash, then again write HTML, and then close this. Now this tag is necessary because it opens HTML documents and it in HTML documents. So we write everything between these two tags, the HTML here, the HTML here. And the next thing is the header tag. So we write header within these two tags. So I start the head tag, and now I close the head tag by putting the slash over here, and it is closed. And now inside the head tag you put several things. For example, you can put the title, you can put links, you can put headings, you can put different things, but these are navigation things. And for the time being, I just want to put title within it. So I begin title tag, and I put the title Safi Mixed, and then I close the title by putting a hash over it. So this is the title tag. Remember, this thing that you put within the title tag is in fact the tab name. When you open this in your browser, then this would be the name of the tab. Remember, this will not be shown in the web page document, but this will go to the tab name. So this is your tab name. And then I go out of the head tag and I add body tag name. So I begin body. You write the documents within the body tag, and then I close the body tag. So we write things within the body tags now. And here I first add a heading. The heading tag name is H. You have different headings. Each one is 2 up to H6, but for the time being I'll use this one. And here I write, this is my first HTML document. And then I close it, H1. So this is the heading of my document. And now I add a paragraph. So paragraph is added by putting P, and then I add, you will learn several very good things here. And then I close this paragraph too by putting this thing. Now this is my document, and if I want to develop it, I would click on File tab, or just click Control Shift S, and I would save this in this document. So I first minimize this so that you should see that it is. So I first minimize this document, and it will be created over here, and I open the file, I close this. And here, in order to save it, you first need to change the txt to all files, and here you remove the txt extension to put either HTML or HTML. So I said it's HTML. HTML is the latest one which save large documents, extended document than HTML. And now if I click save in this position, you will see it here the file would be created. I save it, and you see it is created with extension HTML. If I open this up, it will be open in a browser. So my Chrome is my default browser, and now it is open in Chrome, and you see this is my first document. If I come over here, I written this as the heading. This is my first document at this position, right? And so the same goes here as a heading, and then in the body I write you will learn several good things, and that comes over here. You will learn several good things comes over here. So it is up to this point. And the most important that you must know, the Safi mix that I added within the title is now here, the tab name Safi Mix, and it is not shown on the web page, so it is Safi Mix. This way you create a simple HTML document. You will learn several other things as we go on in the coming videos, so don't forget to subscribe the channel for good to learn good things. And thanks for watching Safi Mixed.